Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. You guys requested that I do a slick bun on my type 4 hair. So this is what today's video is going to be about. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button below. Like the video, make sure you guys hit the like button and also comment below if you guys enjoyed the video, and let's get into it. My hair is freshly washed. These are both by As I Am. Gel I will be using is the Ecostyler Gel. Have these tucked into the ponytail, so the top part is going to be the part that's going to be slicked down, then the twists are going to be the one that is going to be inside of our bun. And I also applied some of this mango and lime Jamaican black castor oil. My hair back one side at a time, so I'm just going to take these 3 twists and I'm going to pull them behind me. I'm gonna take my headband and I'm gonna wrap it around 3 times back here, and I'm gonna wrap it around 1 more time. We are gonna take our gel a little bit at a time, and then we're just gonna slowly just start applying it. Gonna take a little bit more. Gonna pull them behind you, and you're just gonna take them and add them to the ponytail. Same thing like we did to the last side. We're gonna take a bit of gel, apply it to the hair. After I feel like I've gotten it nice and slick both sides, I'm gonna take this ponytail back out. My ponytail, I'm gonna have it in the bottom left corner. So now that we have our bun in place, it's nice and slick. The final thing we are gonna do is we are gonna do our edges. I cannot do my edges on camera, and I will come back to you guys with the final look. This is the final look. A nice sleek bun. I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you like the video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys later in my next video. Bye.